In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly book appointments on Vagaro, ensuring a seamless experience for both business owners and their clients. If you're new to Vagaro or looking to streamline your booking process, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Vagaro website. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button at the top right corner of the page. Clicking here is your first step towards booking success. After clicking login, you're presented with several options, but for ease and convenience, we recommend using the Login with Google feature. This allows you to use your Google account to access Vagaro, making the process faster and more secure. Go ahead and select your preferred Google account to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here, you're looking for the Go to My Business option. This button is your gateway to managing all aspects of your business on Vagaro, including booking appointments. Now, this next step involves a bit of navigation. You'll need to switch over to the calendar view. To do this, look for the calendar option, which is easily accessible from your dashboard or via a direct link provided within the site's resources or help section. The calendar is where all the magic happens. It's where you'll see your schedule, your clients, and where you can add new appointments. Once you're in the calendar view, glance over the available time slots. When you find an empty time slot that suits your schedule, click on it. This action will open up new options for creating appointments. Here comes a critical part, clicking on New Appointment. This option is essentially your first step in the booking process. It's straightforward and designed to guide you through every necessary detail, ensuring you're capturing all the required information. Now it's time to choose a service for your appointment. Vagaro provides a comprehensive list of services, depending on your business setup. Whether you're booking a haircut, a massage session, or any other service, select the one applicable to this particular appointment. It's important to ensure accuracy here, as this information directly affects your scheduling and the client's expectations. With the service selected, your next move is to add the price. Vagaro makes it easy to either choose a predefined price or enter a custom amount, offering flexibility based on varied customer needs or special service requests. Choosing the customer profile is where personalization comes into play. If you're booking for a returning client, you can easily find and select their profile from your client list. If it's a new client, you'll have the option to add a new profile, ensuring that every appointment is tied to a specific customer for future reference. The next step involves selecting the date and time for the appointment. This part is crucial and relies on the availability you saw in your calendar view earlier. Picking the right time involves balancing your availability with the client's needs, aiming for a slot that works best for both parties. With all the details sorted, the final step is to click Book. This action confirms the appointment, blocking off the chosen time slot on your calendar, and, depending on your settings, may also send a confirmation to your client. To recap, booking on Vagaro involves a smooth sequence of actions: logging in, navigating to your business section, diving into the calendar view, choosing an empty time slot, and filling in the appointment details, including service, price, client information, date, and time. Wrapping up the process with a confirmation ensures that both you and your client have the upcoming appointment in your schedules. Before we conclude, here are a few additional tips to ensure a flawless booking experience. Always double check the service details and prices to avoid any misunderstandings. Consider sending a follow-up message or email to your client confirming their appointment. And lastly, maintain an organized and up-to-date client profile system, as this will streamline future bookings. Now, you're all set to manage your appointments on Vagaro like a pro. Whether you're a seasoned business owner or new to the platform, these steps will help you improve efficiency and client satisfaction. Remember, the key to successful booking is organization and attention to detail. Happy booking!